This is a gold swing trade strategy on the 1-hour time frame. Start by adding 3 moving averages. 1 moving average set to 72 at close. 1 moving average set to 72 at high. And 1 moving average set to 72 at low. We're going to make the close moving average a dot pattern so it's easier to see. The way this strategy works is we wait for price to pull back into the moving averages, and then close back with a strong confirmation candle. Because the price is below the moving average, we are looking for a sell position. We will place our stop loss at the dotted moving average. This is a swing strategy that does not have a take profit. Instead, we follow the moving average with a trailing stop loss. Using this strategy, we capture massive profits during a big move. We can see the price is already pulled into the moving average. But we must wait for a strong red confirmation candle before placing a sell trade. With a strong red candle, we will now place a short trade. The stop loss will be placed at the dotted moving average. Let's fast forward and see how this trade does. As price goes into profit, we will trail the moving average with our stop loss. Keep following the dotted moving average with a trailing stop loss. I will fast forward a few days till the end of this trade. Price is still going in our favor. We continue to trail with the dotted moving average. Let's fast forward further until the trade ends. We were finally stopped out with a massive 500 pips in profit. Remember, at the beginning, our risk was only 20 pips. That was a take-profit ratio of 25-to-1. Make sure to subscribe for more Forex strategies.